So we're no stranger to cloud cover or warm temperatures. That's basically what we've been slowly seeing happen over the last couple of days. Increase in clouds and an increase in temperatures. Well, it's going to continue to happen tonight. And tonight, well, you're going to notice about a 10 to 15 degree increase in low temperatures. So we already saw that 10 to 15 degree increase in high temperatures from today. I got up to about 70 degrees here in Waco. And of course, Temple got up to about 71. So certainly on the warmer end of the spectrum. Really, we're kind of in between two different systems. You have low pressure up in New Mexico, and you have high pressure down in the Gulf of Mexico. That's bringing all this southerly wind into our region, bringing a little bit moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and that results in, well, an increase in cloud cover. And of course, that means it's going to be pretty toasty for tonight compared to the last few nights. I got about 55 for our region, of course, 54 specifically for Temple, 56 for Marlin, 58 Cameron, 60 degrees for College Station. So definitely going to say on the warmer end. How about tomorrow, President's Day? Lucky few of you might have tomorrow off, and if you do, you know what? Go outside, enjoy yourself. It's going to be on the breezy side. I mentioned these winds are going to continue to pick up, bring in a lot of that warm air from the south. Well, we're getting up to about 80 degrees. Now, that's still going to be just shy of a couple of the records. The record tomorrow is about 92. Yeah, we're not going to be anywhere near that, and thank goodness for that. Thank goodness, too, we have a cold front. If you're not a fan of these warmer temperatures, it's going to bring some very slight relief. I don't see any big-time cool downs anytime soon. We are going to continue to see a lot of this cloud cover, mostly due to a trough just ahead of this frontal system. So what about rain chances? What about severe thunderstorm potential? As a matter of fact, rain chances I have limited to just about 40% for much of central Texas. Severe weather, not really on my radar right now. As a matter of fact, just a general thunderstorm risk is expected with the exception of the Brazos Valley. So a little bit of lightning, a little bit of thunder. Hey, we're no stranger to that, so we can deal with it. But how much rainfall are we going to get? It looks pretty disappointing too. I'm looking at maybe a 1/10 of an inch in terms of actual precipitation. We could certainly use a lot more than that, especially given current drought situation across the region. Here we go. 80s for the next couple of days. 80 degrees tomorrow, 82 on Tuesday, 80 on Wednesday. And then that front comes through. Winds start to shift a little bit. You start to notice, okay, some mid 70s. Then we go down to some lower 70s, possibly some upper 60s farther north near Waco as well as Hillsboro. But that's going to be about it, guys. We do have those warmer temperatures making a comeback once again by next weekend.